Hello, my name is Carter, and I am the greatest golfer in the world.
Hi, I am Nick, and I am also the greatest golfer in the world.
Now, as I'm sure you all are aware, golf is the most exciting, thrilling, edge-of-the-seating sport ever invented.
Absolutely. The premise is too simple, so we'll put it in caveman terms. Their ball, their club, the ball into hole.
Don't underestimate people's stupidity, Nick. Some people still think the moon is cheese.
I mean, it is, but sure. I'll put it into the words of a Harvard scholar with several doctorates. The lone game oscillate the trajectory of an 18-hole golf club into the optimal orientation for it to impact a minute spherical golf ball into one of the 18 checkpoints within the minimal quantity of endeavors.
Wow. My ears are bleeding after trying to decipher that. Thanks.
From the greatest golfer in the world, you're most welcome.
Anyways, this is Tiger Woods.
Ooh.
Wow.
Did you know that actually a lot of science goes into making golfing possible, Carter?
No, I didn't, Nick. What is science?
There are several invisible forces acting on the golf ball and the club.
Oh, wait, I remember learning about those in Miss Amy Wynn's fifth period physics class from the 2021 to 2022 school year. We did a 1.04 GPA that covered topics like kinematics.
How convenient that you remember physics from our breakdown video, Carter. Anyways, we'll be breaking down the science behind golf, and then we'll watch a few clips and point them out.
I cannot physically wait.
Oh my gosh. No more puns, or I will have to put you down.
Put me down.
No more puns, or I will have to put you down.
I'm going to change the topic before it gets awkward. This here is a picture of me golfing. As you can see, there are two forces acting on the ball, which is at rest.
Wow, I really like the thumbnails and watermarks.
Shush, Nick. I'm teaching. The two forces are the gravitational force and the normal force that acts perpendicular to the ball's position. In this case, it is the opposite of gravity.
Wow.
The force of gravity and the normal force are equal to each other, which is why the ball is stationary.
So, theoretically, if the force of gravity was larger than the normal force, would the ball go into the earth and the ball sitting on the tee won't move?
Yes, exactly. If the vertical forces were not equal, the ball would not be stationary.
That is so interesting. Hey, Carter, I have a joke for you.
What is it?
Why did the golfer bring extra pants?
I don't know.
In case he gets a hole in one.
Sometimes I regret choosing you to do the breakdown, Nick.
Speaking of breakdown, shall we swing on to the next concept? This here is me holding a golf club.
Wow. You look just like Tiger Woods.
No, Tiger Woods looks just like me. Also, believe it or not, there is a lot of science behind the club, like energy.
Oh, the audio effect you said was so cool. Do it again.
Energy.
Can I do it?
No!
Oh, so what is energy?
The echo only works for me. And thanks for that very convenient question. Also, conveniently, I have an answer. Energy is the ability to do work.
Oh, like potential and kinetic energy?
Exactly, Carter. Potential energy is the energy due to position, and kinetic energy is the energy due to motion.
Wow.
Look at these 5 golfers all wearing red. When the golf club is at its highest, first and the 5th golfer, the potential energy is also at its highest. There is no kinetic energy. However, when the golf club is at its fastest, like golfer 3, it has the maximum kinetic energy, and no potential energy. Golfer 2 and 4 have a mix of potential and kinetic energy because they are neither at the highest or the fastest.
That is so cool. Oh my God. It's crazy to think that so much science goes into such an exhilarating and fun to watch sport as golf. Are there any more aspects of physics too?
Yes, yes. But first, I have a joke for you.
Yes.
Why did the golfer bring an extra shirt?
Why?
In case he gets a hole in one.
I've never heard of that one before.
Speaking of holes in one, did you know forces also act on the ball when it is hit into the air?
Oh, so forces act on the ball even when it's not stationary?
Yep,
I actually do know about that. Should I pick it up from here?
go ahead.
You take a swing with your club, and off the ball goes into the air. Because the ball is now in midair, there's no normal force. This means that the force of gravity will eventually pull the ball back down to Earth. The same goes for a person jumping or rain falling.
Oh my gosh. Mr. C, so basically the force of gravity is pulling the golf ball back to Earth, but what about the second arrow?
Stop asking questions, Nick. That is the force of air resistance, which, at least in this case, is horizontal. The air resistance works against the ball's inertia, causing it to slow down horizontally.
Wait, so if there wasn't air resistance, it would have slowed horizontally.
Yeah, and the same goes for gravity too, Nick. Thanks for a convenient question, by the way. If there were no forces acting on the ball, it would just travel in a straight line indefinitely because of Newton's first law of motion.
This Newton guy seems like a pretty cool dude, but not quite as cool as me.
Yeah, that's true. No one can beat you, man. But yeah, sadly, ever since he invented gravity, golf balls now follow an arc due to external forces like gravity and air resistance. It's pretty sad.
Hey Carter, I have a joke for you.
You already said two, though.
Why did the golfer bring extra socks?
Let me guess.
In case he gets a hole in one. Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
Anyways, thank you for watching our breakdown about the most exciting sport ever created.
Thanks for watching.